Hi, and welcome to SFX60, your go-to source for quick, practical Salesforce solutions in under 60 seconds. My name is Leo. At SFX60, we simplify complex Salesforce problems with smart tips you can use right away. No fluff, just results. Let's jump into today's solution to help you work smarter with Salesforce. Data Loader is a go-to tool for bulk updates, but one wrong column can wreck your data. Before using it, always export a backup of the object you're updating. Use Export All to capture deleted records just in case. Prepare your CSV carefully. Make sure IDs are correct and fields are mapped properly. In Data Loader settings, turn on Use Bulk API for larger jobs. Always test with 5 to 10 records before uploading the full file. After upload, spot check the changes in Salesforce. Pro tip: keep a change log with file name, date, and summary for traceability. Clean in, clean out. That's how you bulk like a pro. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more 60-second Salesforce solutions, and drop a comment with your questions or topics you'd like to see next. Remember, this is a high-level solution to help guide your approach. Deeper configuration may be needed for complex scenarios. See you in the next one. Stay sharp with SFX60.